So here we are in the storage compartment, rear bow up. We're looking at the left bow tension cylinder. It is fastened with a pin on top and a pin on the bottom. I'll quickly show you how to remove those. Quite simple. Move this collar off the rod end on the cylinder and pull out this pin. That loosens the top of the cylinder. Now the smart thing to do is retract the shaft so that we don't accidentally damage it by hitting sharp surfaces with it, and also we push some fluid back into the pump if there's any left. Now I'll do some acrobatics trying to get not to get my head into the picture here. Down here is the lower mounting pin, and that has a bayonet style clip. If you slide a small screwdriver in there and turn your screwdriver, then you can this clip will release, and you can just pull it off the lower mounting pin. So I will get into the photo here for a moment, into the picture, and pull this pin out. There we go. Here is the lower mounting pin, and here is the bayonet style clip that latches onto it. So here the mounting pin with the bayonet style clip that we've opened by having a screwdriver in there. Now the cylinder is free to pull up. We do have some the lines don't go up very high. We have lines 21 on the top, line 20 on the bottom. These bow tension cylinders are typically the last ones to fail. This one is close to failure. We see some moisture on top, not a whole lot yet on the bottom. Actually, I'm wrong. There is even some moisture on the bottom already. This is a 2006 car that has been in on the California coast. To remove the hydraulic hoses, we only have to slide the clips out of the way. Of course, you could say we can just use some pliers to pull the clip. That is not my favorite way, because you easily pinch this together too much and the clips aren't going to be pretty anymore. My favorite way is to either have a small screwdriver tap on this end of the clip first to loosen it up, or if you have some precise pliers, you can actually stick the end of the pliers into the little gap here between the hose and the clip and loosen the clip up that way. Now the clip is sliding easily. Slide it out and the hose pulls out of the cylinder. Same thing on the lower end. Let's see. Well, here we go. We can pull the lower hose out too. Have some paper towels around and pull the clips out of this cylinder. Put them already on the replacement cylinder that you're getting from Top Hydraulics, and put that replacement cylinder back in. Here we have the replacement cylinder with the clips already pushed into place so that we can fasten the hydraulic lines. Make sure you put the right line in the right place. We first put the O-ring supplied by Top Hydraulics onto the fitting, then we push the fitting into the cylinder, then we secure it with a clip. So here we have the replacement cylinder from Top Hydraulics. I already pushed the hydraulic line clips into the rail. Next we will put the O-ring supplied by Top Hydraulics onto the hydraulic fittings first. It's important to put the O-rings on the fittings, then push the fitting with the O-ring into the cylinder. Don't mix up the hoses here. Hose number 21 goes on top, hose number 22 goes on the bottom, and rule of thumb, always the even hose number on the bottom. So let's put number 22 in here. I hope I'm not in the way of the video. It's kind of awkward position here. So I'll just push the clip back into place, secure it. Do the same thing with the line number 21. Push it in there straight without kinking the O-ring by going in at weird angles, and I will secure that clip. Now we just put in the lower mounting bolt and then the upper mounting bolt. I don't think I have to demonstrate that. That's trivial how they go back into place.